Today in this video I show you how you can make your Instagram account private. For this you have to open Instagram. Now go to your profile section and press on this menu icon. Now you have to open settings and privacy. Now if your account type is professional, then you have to change your account type. For this you have to open creator tools and controls. Now you have to tap on switch account type. Click on switch to personal account. Again click on switch to personal account. Now your account type is changed. And if your account type is already personal, then you don't have to do this process. Now for making your account private, you have to scroll down and open account privacy. Now you have to enable this toggle. Now click on switch to private. Now your account is turned into private account. So this is how you can make your Instagram account private. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.